Hello and welcome guys. I am once more into the C++ playlist, and today's tutorial will be about passing by reference into functions. And as we have seen in the past, um, we have called a function and passed a parameter in my earlier lectures on function, and that was actually passing by value. So we have got three types of parameter passing into functions. One is through reference arguments, another is pointer arguments, and the first one, the default one, the most basic one is the passing by value. So in passing by value, by default arguments are passed into functions by value other than pointer arguments. That is a copy of the argument, not the actual value, but the clone copy or copy of the argument is made and passed into the function. Now changes to the clone copy inside the function has no effect on the original argument in the caller. In other words, the called function has no access to the variables in the caller. Now we will make an application to square a number. There's a function that I will build, and I will pass a number from the main. This is what I have already built the shell of an application just to save time with all the hash include statements and using namespace standard. So I will start writing the code straight away and then explain again. So here I'll start with an integer number and give it a value, say 9. And then uh, output statement cout in main, just to show that I am in the main function on the console, and number, that is the address of operator, the memory address of the variable number, and then another cout statement, number, and then end of line. Then another cout statement. This one is a bit different. It will call a square method, which I have yet to write, and pass this number as an argument. So I am greeted with this squiggly line that the identifier square is undefined. Okay, I'll come to that in a bit. So cout number and then endl. So here I will, before I rectify this error, I will put another cout statement that says in square, that is the square function, and end of the line. And then I'll output the number, the changed here in square, and I probably need to write this statement a bit above here. Okay, and then I've written this already. So cout, another cout statement, again in the main, and in main and end line. just indent it a bit. And let me take care of this by writing this function. So square returns an integer value. So I'll pass an int n, pair of curly braces, and cout output statement in square close the statement and an address endl and n into equal to n. Now this is the same as writing n equals n multiplied by n. This is a shorthand operator, shortcut operator, into equal to, which you will see later in another lecture. Okay, and finally return L, return N. Let's try and build it. Control F5. And there's an error. No, what does it say? Square identifier not found. Square identifier not found. What is the error? Where's the problem? Oh, I forgot to write the prototype statement. That's why it is complaining. So int square int. So you need to declare the function right on top in order for this to build successfully. So now run the application, Control F5. So it runs successfully. So in main, now the address is this, and the number, the value is 9. In square the address is changed, and the value is 81. So in in square and n, yeah, that's fine. It's fine. The number will change its memory address. Yeah. So it's not the it's the clone value. It's the clone, so that's fine. So in main again, so in square and the value has changed to 81. In main again the value remains the same, 9. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please put your likes, comments and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.